Barb Makes Things!
Today I'm going to show you how to safely and effectively use craft knives. Metal textured handle, grippy near the blade, ergonomic one, this rugged one, and this bulby thing. There are a bunch of kinds of blades. Think about what gives you the most control. Different knives encourage different kinds of grips. A sharp blade is a safe blade. For doing paper cuts, I have a few tips. If you have a younger person who's still developing their dexterity, and this guy needs to dance. Finally, 5th time's the charm. Making self-playing musical instruments, starting with a video about my hexachords, like this. And this one, which has been in the background the whole time. Perfect. I don't need this. It broke when I threw it. Just another example of why it needed to be replaced. Today, I'd like to talk to you about how completely awesome kids are. I take offense when people call an adult's irresponsible behavior childish. I regularly see 7-year-old children responsibly using chop saws. So I just want to tell you a few of the really impressive things that I've seen. So I look at all things as potential stuff for making.